Why have the long face?
I'm not saying.
Someone decided to wake up at 2 in the morning and start exploding in the bathroom. We had a tour at 4 o'clock around Angkor Watt, the most famous temple here. Gonna have to go tomorrow now, bless her. She's not in a good mood. So you gotta pay $37 each for 2 days. Cheeky bastard. A driver for the day isn't a guide. Yeah, fuck off. We're on a 5-star wanted police level right now for them drone shots. As soon as we landed it, we had 3 security guards come over to us. Just a fucking tour guide just snitched on us. The security guards are just following us around and we're going to blow up the place. Just going to flew the drone. Odds on 1 to 10, I'll kick that kid downstairs. 3, 2, 1, 4.
3.
What a shame.
Don't be a cunt cat, sorry I'ma go bun some hash for my thumbs out. Yes, lad, let's get switched right. Give me a sec with this
Temple number 2.
girl when I get back. Walk to the girl sitting down on the side.
That's too much information.
Saw him approach, thought he switched.
Bay on temple review, Layla.
37.
I have to give it a 6. Next temple, this one looks high as hell.
That's a stupid term because hell's meant to be down in the floor. So if it was as high as hell, then it would be really low.
Just shut up.
Swimming pool. You didn't tell me they had a swimming pool.
Up there.
What's pregnant go it?
Because you'll fall back down. Film this.
Saw him approach, thought he switched up his mind. Flipped her around, got the girl upside down.
Absolutely terrifying. But I think there's even lots of dragonflies. Bit dead this one, not gonna lie, brother. Not quite where we want it, is it? Though? It's all completely dry stone walls, which dry stone wallers, maybe you find that really interesting, but we're not too bothered by it.
I have drenched in sweat. Sorry to be disgusted. That's what happens when you go outside in this fucking heat. Touch my back. Temple number 4. Temple 4 review. Very mid. Gotta give that one a 4.
To the floor, see this.
Temple number 5. Same again. Gotta be a rating 4. Number 6.
Famous one.
Famous temple. Whoa. Some very nice trees here. Thinking about it. There's. Looks like the trees are made of gold.
It looks like the trees are made out of gold.
That's a tree. Look at this tree. A big tree. You've got a tree coming out your head. Oh, it's disgusting. That's fucking bird shit.
Ripped it out with the phone grip, gulped it in one.
That's a tree.
Cat disappeared, left Lucy with one.
What's all this about? See. Temples are hard work, man, I can't lie. Oh, nice, but no thank you. And now the Woman King Temple. It's the Lady Temple, but our tuk-tuk driver says it's the only temple created by Lady King, and he's meaning to say Queen. This one's dope, very cool. Hello. Are you hungry?
Yes,
Very hungry. The pizza.
Pizza?
Oh, so good.
I like only rice. You like pizza?
Love pizza.
Start work from 2012. I married with my wife. I meet his in 2014.
You met her here?
Yeah, I running here every day. Working here.
Yeah.
Only about 1 month. 2 months married.
2 months. 2 months.
Yeah, married. 2 months, maybe 1 month and a half.
Us together 2 years.
2 years. Oh.
Not married.
No school, no school. Yeah. I go to working with the worker, cement.
Yeah.
Cement worker.
Cement or construction, yeah.
Really?
So you started tuk-tuk driving 2019?
Yeah, before I don't have I cannot speak the English.
Yeah,
I can only speak but I cannot read English.
No, you can't.
Yeah, but I can only speak. Sometimes wrong, maybe speak.
No, you speak really good English.
But I no pizza.
I love Coke.
I guess you're so well.
Okay.